In every afternoon, 3 o'clock, I read your letter. Ahay, sa may bintana. Ahay, sabay ang luha. And then every evening until midnight, I couldn't sleep tight because I'm longing for you. Because I'm longing for you. Enero, Pebrero, hinihintay kita, hindi ka dumating. Lumagpas ng Marso, I've been waiting for you hanggang April. Sumapit ang Mayo, ako'y nalulungkot mo sa akin. Pagkat ika'y wala, ika na